Alright. Let's see if we can do this as a video. What we have here is the Weverse package I received for the New Jeans Fan Club fan kit. Well, that's not cool. This side's already open. Top's already open. That's not cool. Hopefully nothing fell out. I'm sure it's fine. No problem. Alright. Unboxing. Here we go. 2023 Bunnies Fan Club. Yippee! Okay, it's completely wrapped in the... Completely wrapped. That's it. This is what's inside it. Membership card. New Jeans official fan club. Cool. Let's enjoy Bunnies Club. Bottom says welcome. Spend time with New Jeans. New Jeans official fan club Bunnies membership. Fan club kit for Bunnies. New Jeans oh, the card fell out. It's supposed to be over here in the front. That's what it's supposed to look like. Okay. Now, since we have it here, open this. See what's inside. Woo! I thought this was going to be a tiny little keychain thing. No. This thing is huge. I got the Toki edition. This thing is monstrous. Oh, wait, okay. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. This is like a backpack. God. Alright, there's that. Bunnies Club. Bunny. These are solid. There's stickers that are adhesive. Oh, looks like we got picture cards. Photo cards. We got the pins. Mm-hmm. 2023 Bunnies Club membership application with New Jeans. We'll pull it out. 2023 Bunnies Club application membership. Oh, this is their application. Oh, okay. Cool. this is our application. Very cute. Put this back in. And join our club. Do everything you want at Bunny's Club. Okay. Bunny's Club. Eugene's Global Official Fan Club Bunny's membership. Oh, it's a pretty thick magazine. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how thick it is. There's all the girls. Oh, cool. Oh. Oh, cool. What can't we wait to play in Bunny's Club? Oh my gosh. Okay. And this is the posters, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, posters. Ah, there's a little crease there. Wow. Oh. Oh, got it upside down. Bunny's Club 2023. There's a bigger poster. Cool. Oh, I'm so happy I got this. Oh, yeah. Let's go to the photo cards. Wow. Ham. Aaron. Danielle. Gosh, she looks a boy in that one. Annie. And Minji. All right. Did you join the Bunny's Club? This keyring is gigantic. It's more for a backpack. It's crazy. All right. Put it back nice and neat. should put it back in the box and leave it like that, right? That'd probably be safer. Oh, I was so worried. I ordered it, and I checked DHL for the website with a shipping tracking number, and it said it was delivered already. Then I emailed their support, and I said I didn't get it. They said, "Oh, that's because it went to a different division of DHL, and it's going to be delivered by the post office." So, good thing I checked in on everything like that, and it got here safe and sound today. Okay, see you soon, my thing.